If you're a Rotorcraft pilot, mechanic, or business owner, here's an opportunity you won't want to miss. The Federal Aviation Administration is holding its 4th biennial International Rotorcraft Safety Conference from October 27th through October 29th, but this year it's virtual, which makes it more accessible than ever. We will explore ways to reduce the national and international helicopter accident rate. Leaders from the FAA's Aircraft Certification Division and Flight Standard Service will open Day 1, which will be followed by a myriad of presentations for the entire helicopter community, including coping with the aftermath of a helicopter accident, the impact of drones, and the benefit of safety management systems. Experts from Schweitzer, Bell, Airbus, and Robinson will present specific maintenance information on Wednesday. Thursday's pilot focus topics will include human factors specific to rotorcraft, helicopter safety concepts, accident prevention, and accident investigations. So, if you're in the rotorcraft industry as an owner, operator, mechanic, pilot, industry, or government executive, this 3-day event is designed for you. Wings, AMT, and inspector authorization credits are offered. Registration is now open, so register today. Attendance is limited. For more information and to sign up, go to FAAHeliSafety.org. Directions for viewing the presentations are available there. See you online this October.